So today we're gonna unbox an HP gaming laptop. It's not an HP Pavilion Gaming, it's not an HP Omen. This is an HP Victus. Now, we all know that if you're looking for a budget laptop, you're gonna look for HP Pavilion Gaming. Now, if you're gonna look for an HP Premium Gaming laptop, you're gonna look for HP Omen. Now, this laptop's price is actually same as with the HP Pavilion Gaming. But the appearance of this is actually same as a premium of an HP Omen. That is why we actually emailed HP if this is a replacement for Pavilion or for Omen. We're just waiting for their reply. Once they reply to us, we're just gonna comment down below about this unit. So let's check what's inside of this laptop. So once you open this laptop, of course it comes with a cushion, and inside the cushion is the laptop itself, and comes with two printed materials. And then the charger, what we have here is 19.5 volts with 10.3 ampere, that is 200 watts. It comes with an HP sling bag. And by the way, after this video, we'll be giving 3 power banks. Pwede to sa mga mobile phones, is actually from Fujitsu. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank. So in order for you to win a giveaway, it's just simple. Just like our page, subscribe to our page, and hit that notification bell baka kayo manalo ng mga giveaways. And not just this ang binibigay namin. We're giving various giveaways. Actually, pagdating natin sa 100,000 subscribers, magbibigay ulit kami ng laptop. Okay? So, itabi na natin to, and then let's talk about the appearance of the HP Victus. So, first impression, there's actually a letter V on the cover. V for Victus. There's the Victus word here, and then dito sa ilalim, there's a 016 designed and engineered by HP. The 016 is actually the screen size of this laptop. I will talk about it later. Once you open the unit, there's another V logo on the monitor screen. And the speakers are here at the top. Okay, so it's an alphanumeric keyboard. There's a Victus logo here, and there's a sticker of a Bang & Olufsen Sounds GeForce RTX AMD Ryzen 7. By the way, this comes with 2 variants, AMD Ryzen 7 and the Ryzen 5. Comes with a 144 refresh rate, and there's a sticker of a Microsoft Office and Student. By the way, the Office of this unit is lifetime, it's not trial version. So, medyo kudos sa HP ngayon kasi mostly yung mga laptop nila may makasama ng Microsoft Office. Hindi katulad ng mga ibang brands na trial version lang. So, the color is actually black. So, no other accent, it's just pure black. And it's made of polycarbonate or plastic. And underneath the laptop, dito yung fan. And actually, underneath the laptop, meron din V na logo. Kahit saan mo makikita, there's actually the letter V. Actually, yung fan niya, nandito sa ilalim. Sa ilalim yung exhaust niya. Wala sa gilid. So, ang intake dito, ang out dito. So, that's why if you open this laptop, ang buga ng laptop na to is either pataas, partially dito sa baba, pero yung ibang buga dito rin pataas. Ano advantage pag ganon? In case that you're working in a cold area, hindi nagbumoist yung screen ng laptop mo. Bumubuga siya ng warm. So let's talk about the ports of this unit. On this side, we got here yung saksakan ng charger. We got here the LAN port. HDMI 2.1 USB type, 3.1 type A, a USB 3.2 type C, an audio combo jack, and an SD card. On the other side of this unit is dalawang USB 3.1 Type A. The dimension of this unit, the width is 14.5 inch, the depth is 10.2 inch, and the height is 0.9 inch, while the weight is 2.46 kilogram. The viewing angle of this unit is somewhat of 130 degrees. One thing I noticed on this laptop, normally kasi ang mga laptop is 11.6 inch, 13.3, 14 inch, 15.6 inch. But this laptop is 16.1 inch. First time lang ako naka-encounter ng 16.1 inch na laptop. Meron 17.3. May ilan-ilan na laptop na ganon. Pero this is a 16.1. Of course, as a gamer, mas preferred mo mas malaki ang screen size na laptop. And then I also noticed on the keyboard, nandito yung power button niya sa katabi ng delete button. Now, let's talk about the specification of this HP Victus. The complete model is HP Victus Laptop 16-E E0217AX. The processor is AMD Ryzen 7, so that's 5800H. It runs with 8 cores and 16 threads, so it's already a quad core with a base boost of 3.2 GHz while the turbo boost is 4.4 GHz. The memory on this laptop is 16 GB. So that's DDR4 with 3200 MHz, while the storage is 512 SSD. The operating system is Windows 11. Integrated graphics is AMD Radeon graphics, while it comes with the dedicated graphics of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti that runs with 4 GB dedicated. So we're gonna test that in games later. The display of this unit is 16.1 inch, and that is a full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS display, 144 Hz, and may ni-mention dito something about low blue light. Actually, when I opened the laptop, medyo bluish nga yung screen ng laptop. And by the way, kung hindi ka na masanay sa mga ganon, you could calibrate your screen. And sometimes you could actually put it on night mode. So if putting this in night mode, you're gonna change the screen into yellowish. So this runs with 300 nits, kaya medyo maliwanag ang brightness niya, and 100% sRGB. This is really ideal for, mga photographers. It will give you a true color accuracy. It's an IPS display like Retina in MacBook Pro. I'm testing the camera of this HP Victus. By the way, this is running a 0.9 MP just like other laptops, and what you're hearing right now is the audio quality of this HP Victus. Typing test, I was able to score 39 words per minute. This is actually below average on what I'm doing. Actually, when I start typing on this laptop, I was actually looking on the keys. Hindi katulad sa mga ibang laptops na hindi ako tumitingin sa keyboard. So medyo parang naka-conscious dito sa laptop. But you're gonna get used to it. So it's an alphanumeric keyboard, comes with a numpad, and it's also a backlit keyboard. The tracking pad is actually humongous. So medyo malaki yung tracking pad nito compared sa mga ibang laptops. Ito yung pinakamalaking tracking pad na nakita ko. This laptop comes with an application of an HP Omen Gaming Hub. There's actually a button here at the top of the numpad. If you click on this icon, it will open the Omen Gaming Hub. So inside, you're gonna see there your games. There's actually games na dito. May Minecraft. Okay, so we got here Oasis, what's this? Oasis Live, Gallery, Coaching. So here for coaching, you need to sign in an HP account to access HP Omen services. Hindi na tayo medyo papasok sa ganyan. Tapos remote play, okay. So here, on this Victus laptop page, you're gonna see here the utilization of your CPU and your memory, and my GPU is inactive, probably because I'm not running any 3D application softwares. And by the way, you're also gonna see here the temperature of your laptop, and then we got here a network booster. So I think this network booster will gonna boost up your internet speed. So parang lahat ng Wi-Fi connection, kung sa bahay ka, pwede mo kunin lahat ng Wi-Fi connection doon. Babagal yung internet nila, sa'yo bibilis. Performance control, okay, so we got here a quiet, default, and performance. Probably the quiet is for the battery saver, and the performance if you're playing games. And you can also utilize the temperature of your laptop, the CPU, the GPU, and its utilization. So we're gonna try some AAA games on this unit para makita nyo yung mga FPS pati yung temperature of this unit.
This way, boy. Double kill.
So guys, there you have it. You saw it on AAA games. Now, i-check naman natin kung ano yung mga pwede pa i-upgrade dito sa laptop na to. Let's remove the chassis and let's call our technician para baklasin yung laptop na ito.
My mirror shows the other side.
Alright, thank you sa technician natin. Nag-open ng chassis. Okay, so this is underneath the chassis. And dito sa likod is, there's actually some rubbers. Okay, white and black. Maraming salamat. Dinistinguish niyo yung color HP. And then dito, there's actually 2 SSD slots. So currently, there are 2 SSD slots. So currently, ang nakakabit dito is a 512 SSD. And then this is actually a free slot. So kung gusto niyo pang dagdagan ng SSD, advisable dito. So the laptop is running a 16 gig. So I'm presuming that this is an 8 gig and another 8 gig to make it 16 gig. The CPU is here or the GPU is here while the processor is here. Normally kasi mas mainit pala ang GPU kaysa sa CPU, kaya minsan mas malalaki yung cooling side ng GPU compared sa CPU. Dalawang fans, of course, for a gaming laptop, mas ideal talaga dalawa yung fan rather than isa. So there's no HDD socket on this laptop. The battery na dito, mahaba siya. Yung mga speakers na dito. The Wi-Fi card is here. So kanina, as I mentioned, the intake is this. Dito binubuga yung laptop papunta sa monitor screen. Just to sum it up, ang pwede nyo pang idagdag dito is another SSD. Now, if you want to make this a 32 gig, tatanggalin nyo tong dalawang 8 na to and then put a 216 on here. Now, that would be medyo magastos. Pero it's up to you kasi ideal na rin naman ng 16 gig sa mga gaming laptops eh. So, ang pinaka-advisable dito is another SSD, walang kabitan ng HD dito. The warranty of this unit, it comes with a 1-week replacement warranty and a 2 years HP warranty. So, itabi na natin to and then let's talk about the pros and the cons of this unit. Let's talk about the pros and the cons of this unit. So, isang pros na nakita ko is its monitor screen size. It's 16.1 inch. Normally, as a gamer, mas preferred nila yung mga mas malalaki yung screen. Unless that you're using an external monitor. Pero kasi, kuwari, in case na you're not using an external monitor, as an FPS gamer, mas preferred mo yung mas malaki yung screen ng gaming laptop mo. And then, another pros na nakita ko, of course, it comes with the Microsoft Office Lifetime. Hindi katulad ng mga ibang laptop na trial version lang. That is why kudos sa mga HP. This recent videos na nagbablog kami ng mga HP, halos lahat ng laptop nila may kasama ng Microsoft Office. And other thing about its pros is the display of this unit. Aside from a 16.1 inch, this is running at 300 nits with a 100% sRGB. Normally, ang mga laptop minsan mga nasa 200 or 250 nits lang. And then minsan it will just provide 75 to 90% sRGB. This will gonna give you a full IPS display. Now, let's talk about the cons of this unit. First of all, the cons is this side is medyo onti lang yung ports niya. Sana dinagdagan ni HP ng USB ports dito. Hindi katulad dito na sobrang dami. But ideally for a gaming laptop, 3 to 4 ports is okay naman, which it falls under that naman na 4 ang USB ports niya. And another cons na napansin ko dito is the RGB keyboard. Its keyboard is actually, isa lang yung level ng backlit keyboard niya. It's either on or off. Kasi may mga ibang keyboards na pwede mong pahinaan, pwede mong palakasan. And aside from that, meron kasi ibang gaming laptop na customizable yung ilaw ng keyboard. Now, if this is not customizable, I think this falls under the mga budget gaming laptops like yung mga Acer Nitro, mga HP Pavilion Gaming, pati yung mga Asus TUF. Kasi mostly yung mga premium laptops katulad ng mga Predator, mga Omen, pati yung mga Asus ROG, na-customize ang keyboard niyan eh. But of course, medyo mamahalin yung mga yon. Isa pa na napansin ko dito is yung power button niya is between F12 and delete. Normally kasi, if you're doing some typings and then rather than pressing the delete or the backspace, baka yung power button na mapindot mo. And then once you accidentally press the power button, baka automatically mag-sleep yung laptop mo. Worst comes to worst, if you press down the power button on this side, mamamatay yung laptop mo. So, I'm not sure kung bakit dito nilagay ni Victus yung power button nila, not like on other laptops na nasa dulo. Pero, there will be a chance na baka accidentally mo mapindot yung power button. So, sino ang target market ng unit na to? First of all, this is actually ideal sa mga photo editors and sa mga video editors. Because, number one, the screen, it provides a true color accuracy. And of course, the video card is still a 4 gig dedicated RTX 3050. Hindi siya katulad ng mga 3060 or 3070, pero this video card can do video editing. It can already do AutoCAD. So it can do AutoCAD, it can do Adobe Premiere, it can do Adobe Photoshop. Hindi lang to pwede sa mga Lumion, mga 3D software, hindi siya pwede sa mga Blender or Unreal Engine. Kasi yung mga ganun, at least kailangan mo na 6 gig or 8 gig na dedicated. And this is actually also ideal sa mga students that are also playing games kasi hindi naman ganun kamahalan yung laptop na ito. The price of this unit, if bibilin mo to sa labas, this is around sa mga 76,000. But here in Laptop Factory, you're just gonna sell this on 65,000. So meron din tayong yung Ryzen 5 variant. That is actually 13,000 cheaper than the Ryzen 7 variant. And the specification is Ryzen 5 comes with an 8 gig memory and 512 SSD and NVIDIA RTX 3050. So, ang pinagkaiba nila mostly yung sa video card is this one is just a TI, yon ay hindi TI. Pero that's already a 13,000 difference. So, basically, we're selling it on 53,000. In case may mga customers na nakabili ng HP Victus, feel free to comment down below para doon sa mga customers natin na bibili pa lang nito. Is it worth it na bumili ng Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 na variant na ito? Or is it a bang or a buck or medyo lugi? Now, your feedback is highly appreciated. Then again, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our page. Baka kayo yung manalo ng power bank. And aside from a power bank, magbibigay tayo ng mga various giveaway. And as we mentioned, pagdating natin sa 100,000, magbibigay kami ng laptop. Okay? So, then again, I think I said everything about this laptop. So, this is Dustin from Laptop Factory. Have a good day. Bye-bye. First of all, the appearance of this is actually good din ang appearance, okay?
Comparison.
Kasi wala kasi comparison. Ulitin nga natin sa pinakasimula. There's actually a letter V.
Nakabukas ba yung ano mo?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hindi na-record. Hindi na-record.
Nakabukas.
From the start.